Hi guys, we are here in Clayton-le-Moors visiting 1838 wall coverings to learn how do we make wallpaper. We're only 5 minutes away from LANX. What, like 2 miles? So let's go inside and learn what is this and what has this got to do with wallpaper? Let's go inside.
Hi Evan, you alright?
I'm good, mate, are you?
Good, thanks, good.
Wallpaper.
Yeah.
Tell us about 1838.
Yeah, so obviously this is our company's brand. 1838 is the year the first mechanical roll of wallpaper was created. So we're stood here now, this is our warehouse. So this is all our 1838 stock. The back streets of Clayton-le-Moors, all this wonderful wallpaper gets sent out around the world. So.
Nice. Show us how it's made.
Okay. Surface printing is a technique, that's our pride and joy at the factory. So we have these wonderful old surface print machines that ours date back to the early 1900s, but obviously the manufacturing process dated back to 1838. So that first machine in 1838 was a surface print machine. Because of the speed and the capacity, kind of revolutionised wallpaper really. This is what we call a print roller. So this is a steel base that is laminated in rubber, and then the design is actually laser engraved out. So before you can do any sort of traditional printing, you need a roller like this, or a set of rollers. So this is our big print room here. We have 8 big printing machines in here, different techniques. We have our surface machines in front of us here. See, all the colours are still mixed by hand-eye coordination. Wallpaper is batches. We don't have any computer colour kitchens in here. It's all traditionally done. And here, so this is our surface print machine that's printing our calico shell today. So you've got 3 rollers going on here. So this is the non-woven coming into the machine, and then you build up the colour. So you've got 1, 2, 3 colours going on here. That's the finished wallpaper there, and obviously you can see it's still wet. You can still see the shine, but then it goes into the ovens, dries, and then by the time it comes out the end, it's all dried and it's all cured. Then it goes into the finishing process. So we're at the back of the machine now. So this is the printed wallpaper. So this is now dried. It's set. And you can run your hands over it, and you can still feel it's a bit warm.
So after you've got the roll finished in there, then we come in here, and what happens?
Yeah.
What happens next?
So this is the finishing part of the process. Okay. So the big reel of printed material, anywhere between 1,000 2,000 meters, is printed in there. So this machine winds it up, turns it into 10-meter rolls. Then the rolls are put on a trolley, and then it's shrink wrapped. It's boxed in our nice 1838 boxes, and it's then ready for orders to be placed and to be sent out.
And that is how you make wallpaper. Thank you very much for your time.
Cheers, Evan.
Thank you. Go buy some wallpaper. Let's go. It's lunchtime.